Making a classic rolled omelet isn't just about the cooking. It's a process that combines preparation, technique, and timing. It starts with the right ingredients, where even simple things like beating the eggs and choosing the right seasoning matter. The key is in the technique. Knowing when to swirl the eggs, when to roll, and how to balance heat for that perfect soft and fluffy texture. So, while it might seem simple, creating the perfect omelet is about more than just cooking. It's about mastering the details and enjoying the experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome content.